Good morning, this is Keith All, and welcome back to another tutorial on the Builderall platform. And today we're going to learn how we can create our own social media bar. If you look over here to the right, I'm on my live site right now, and I got this social media bar. And of course I got the hovering where it changes the color of the icons. And if you scroll up and down on the web page, the social media bar is pinned to that location on the right, so it's always available there for you. Of course, if you have a panel that coincides with the color of the icon, then just you'll have to see. Right now it blends in. This is only a test site, so don't worry about this particular panel, but I just want to let you show you how this is working. First of all, remember that currently in the Builderall platform for the Cheetah Builder, we only have the pinned element for the box element to work on the desktop, and it doesn't work currently on the mobile. So what you would have to do on the mobile side is you would just have to hide this element on the mobile site currently. Hopefully sometime in the future, the developers for the Cheetah Builder, they'll be able to figure this out where we could have this floating or pinned element on the mobile version also. So let's go to the development page here for the desktop. So here it is over here on the right. So right now your first step is to create a boxed element. So I'm just going to drag this over so it's easier to look at. So right now I have a boxed element, and if let's bring this over here. So I'm going to edit it, and what I have for the background settings, I set the solid color to be basically transparent. So you have two sliders here underneath this color palette, and I selected the bottom slider and I selected it all the way over to the left, and that just makes it transparent. So as you can see, if I bring it over to the right, it changes the color of the box element. So what I did was I made it completely transparent. It's up to you on how you want to dress up your pinned element. So that's the first step. And then over here, this icon that says pinned, if you click on it, you have your option of putting that pinned element anywhere on your website. Top left corner, top right corner, top middle, or in the center of your web page. And of course over here is the bottom left, bottom right, and of course anywhere in the middle. So bottom or left middle, right middle, and right now I have it selected to the right middle. And of course you could remove it here if you're done, and then whenever you select it, you just click on done, and it's gonna move it over there for you. So let's drag this back here, and now let's see how I'm doing this. So basically on top of the boxed element, I'm having buttons for each one of these icons. So let's just edit one of them, and let's see how this is working. So I'm going to click on the button, click edit, and then there's a few different properties that we can work on that create this. So let's go over to the general colors, and right now the background color of the button, I set it to be transparent. So if I slide this over, you could see the change in the color of the button. I just wanted it to be transparent on that. So that's the background color. Another one is the background color for the hover. So in other words, when I hover over it, the background color would change. but in this instance, I set the background color for the button element to be transparent again by adjusting this slider all the way over to the left. Now the hover text color. The hover text color is what we put on top of the button element, and I'll show you a different property that we have to work with in order to get text to show up on the button or this icon. So right now we'll go back to it. So when I hover over it, the text, or in this case the icon, is going to change colors to this color. So that's how that works. So now let's scroll down. Now we have to go to the headline property. In this case, the headline area is blank because I don't want any text on it. I just want the icon. So, and of course, you could set the font family, the font size. This adjusts the size of not only the text, but it also adjusts the size of this icon. So if I increase this, you can see the icon is increasing. So let's bring it back down to right there. Okay. And of course, you could adjust the size of the font on the mobile site, but in this case, this is hidden because the pinned element does not work yet on the mobile. Not because it's a bug, it's right now they haven't added that feature. So let's scroll down, and this is where we set the icon. So right now I have the Facebook icon on here. So we could delete it once it's there, or we could show it. So right now I'm going to click on the show icon list, and all you have to do is search for the icon that you want. So if I wanted the Facebook icon, I type in Facebook, click on search, give it a few seconds to load up. Okay, it came back with the results, and here are the icons for Facebook. And I selected this icon, and once you select the icon that you want, then you have to come over here and hit the select button. So I'm just going to click on cancel, and that is basically it. This is one way that you could create your own social media bar using the Builderall platform. So let's go back to the live site again. You can see it when I hover over it, it changes the color. And that's the hover text property underneath the button element for general colors. So that's the hover text color property. That's how that works. Anyways, thank you for stopping by today. I appreciate your support. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell notification. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your comments. I look at them every day, and if you have ideas for a new tutorial, put it in the comments and I'll make sure I get it done for you. Thanks again. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.